used to know about love. Thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart. Until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. I never used to care about me. I always put the other half first. You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You made me see you can never love someone until you love yourself the way you love me. I don't get tired of how I did with everybody else. How I did with everybody else. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me. Best parts of me were made from loving you.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playback in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze-fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I want and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries,
I wanna write one of those cheesy songs. Wanna tell you how I feel for you all. I might be not the type of guy that'll make you glow, but I promise you I'll give you all my love. And I might blame you for things you don't do. Stop breaking things around, but don't let go, don't let go. You're the only one who can save my soul. And I might blame you for things you don't do. Stop breaking things around, but don't let go, don't let go. You're the only one who can save my soul. Tell me, will you fall, fall? Will you heal all my scars or watch me bleed until I die? I wanna fight all of those crazy thoughts. My heart's on fire, but I'm not giving up. I wanna run out of time, but my body's cold. I wanna call you just so you can keep me warm. And I might blame you for things you don't do. Stop breaking things around, but don't let go, don't let go. You're the only one who can save my soul. And I might blame you for things you don't do. Stop breaking things around, but don't let go, don't let go. You're the only one who can save my soul. Tell me, will you fall, fall? Will you heal all my scars or watch me bleed until I die? Tell me, will you fall, fall? Will you heal all my scars or watch me bleed until I die?
Wherever you are, I know that you're listening. Come back home.
Cause I fight for you, give my life for you. But will you fight for me? Cause I die for you, give my life for you. But will you fall if I fall?
Hurry, hurry, don't forget anything. Like your worries, worried that we might all look the same. Now I can see it from the passenger door. I can feel it, it's like I've been here before. Praying in the back of my mind that it's not a mirage that I've been trying to find. And you were saying we should all look the same, and I blindly believed. And now I'm glad that you came. Tell me, darling, could we run away? We could hide away by the cactus desert blue. I can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you. Come on, darling, let's just run away. We could hide away and forget this deja vu. Tell me, darling, could we run away? We could hide away by the cactus desert blue. I can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
In the darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in. Believe it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, setting these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. Won't see us walking away, 'cause now we made it this far. We ain't ashamed of who we are. We made a choice, this army's here to stay. And trust me, this is something to believe in. Achieve it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, setting these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. This is it, it's our time to rise up. No one can stop us. Brick by brick we'll break this wall that's closing in on us. In this moment now, we're proud and we're free and we're brave. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire.